We are making flaxseed hair gel using golden flax seeds.
And 2 cups of water.
And 2 cups of water. I'm not trying to give an instructional video. I'm just showing people. This is the stuff that I am going to put in there. Hold on.
Look.
Okay, hold on. Coconut oil. Gloss polisher. Almond oil. I call it jojoba, but I guess it's jojoba. And vitamin E. And golden flax seeds. We have regular flax seeds too, but this is regular and this is golden. See why they call it golden? Okay, and look at how thick it is. Oh. That looks disgusting, but that's what it looks like. Okay, see you guys later. Let y'all know what it looks like when we're done.